Guess what arrived in the mail today?
Bam, 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 bam.
This is Jeffree Star's new skincare line called Jeffree Star Skin. We're going to see if his skincare line is really as good as his makeup. Alright, we're gonna start with the clarifying cleanser. It really smells like strawberries. This is really smooth. My skin feels clean, but it also still feels smooth. It's kind of hard to wash, so make sure you rinse everything off. It's not a harsh cleanser, but it's also not a gentle cleanser. It's somewhere in the middle. I do like it because I have dry skin, but I also have acne, so I do need something that's kind of in the middle. It does, however, also have strawberry extract, which I like the smell, but if you're allergic to strawberries or if you're sensitive to fragrances, you might want to skip on it. I wouldn't say this is like the best cleanser, but it's solid. I can use this every day and it's fun, so I like it. I think it's good. Next, we're gonna review the toner. Toner feels good. This basically feels like the toner water version of this, which makes sense because I think they both have strawberry extract and niacinamide. It's also alcohol free and it doesn't make my skin dry, so it's solid, it's fun, I like it. Let's review the moisturizer next. Holy shit, look at that. Here's a closer look. So I definitely think it feels good. This is also the third product that we're trying today that has niacinamide. So I think Jeffree really likes niacinamide, which by the way is a great ingredient if you have smooth or rough surfaces on your skin. This is a thick moisturizer. I like thick moisturizers, but this is less thick and I feel like my skin's more moist from this. I was also expecting more product. This is 50 ml and the packaging is so fancy. This one has apple extract instead of strawberry. It was fun, but I think I like this better. And last but not least, click the plus sign for more.